Imagine, I created my own film using AI. I know you don't believe what I'm telling you right now. So before anything else, let me show you the video I created using AI. Watch it first. And after you finish watching, I will show you exactly how I created it from scratch, step by step. Right now, tell me, how does this video look to you?
What is that?
It looks like a real film, Hollywood style. You can barely believe it was made with AI, and this is exactly why I am going to show you how I created it. The platform I'm going to use is called Flova AI. Let's start. But first, make sure you subscribe, drop a like, and leave a comment down below. So, first of all, let me show you the master prompt I used to create that film. And don't worry, you will find the link to that master prompt in the description and the pinned comment below. But before we get into the tutorial, let me tell you something important. Because this is not just about creating cool videos. This is about making real money. Think about it. The film you just watched, I created it in under 30 minutes. No camera, no crew, no expensive studio. In a short cinematic video like this, you can sell it to a local business as a product ad, a brand story, or a social media commercial. Businesses pay anywhere from $200 to $2,000 for a short promotional video like this. Or you can upload it as content on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Build an audience and earn from views and brand deals. Or you can go on Fiverr or Upwork, offer AI short film creation as a service, and get clients every week. When I finished this video and looked at it, my first thought was honestly, I could actually sell this, and you can too. So let's get into exactly how I made it. After copying my master prompt, I come back to Flova AI. Don't worry, you can find everything in the description or pinned comment. After coming here to Flova AI, when I click here on upload, you can see there are 4 options: image, audio, video, and text. This means Flova AI supports everything. So let me continue showing you. When I click here on model, you can see the video models they have available. There is Seedance 2.0, Happy Horse 1.0, Kling, and many more. These are the models Flova AI has inside it. So let me show you how to do this. I click on video and choose Seedance 2.0. Then I click here on skills. After clicking on skills, you can see what is available. First, they show you script to video. This is what you can use. Then there is music to video, meaning you can upload your own music. Then there is narrative short film, voice reference, humanistic documentary film, product commercial, and reference to video. Right now, I'm using the skill called script to video. This is what I used to create that cinematic video you just watched. After choosing script to video, paste your master prompt, the one I already showed you. You can get the link in the description. This is the master prompt. After pasting it in, click Generate. After clicking Generate, Flova AI starts doing everything automatically. This is the Flova workflow. It starts doing everything step by step. To create images, it uses Nano, and for video, it uses Seedance. So it starts generating everything for you automatically, no problem. The Flova AI chat assistant starts building everything for you. Right now you can see it has already started creating prompts you can use. But for me, let me show you what I did next. I typed this message in the chat, generate all, and make every scene video now. This is what I wrote, meaning I need everything to be done clearly and completely, without stopping. So this AI chat assistant starts doing everything based on my master prompt I already shared with you. Right now, you can see it has started generating everything. The AI is analyzing your prompt and starts generating all the assets. These are the video assets I used in my cinematic film. Right now, every scene is done. You can see the Flova AI chat assistant has completed everything. It generated all the scenes instantly without any problem. Right now, you can see every single scene of the video. This is how it built each scene. It made every scene I described in my master prompt. People stealing money, police starting to search for them, catching them, and going to prison. You can see every scene is already done, and the video is ready. Now, I want to be transparent with you. I used the paid version of this platform to show you exactly how it works at its full potential, but they do have a free plan you can start with as well. After all scenes are generated, click here on Generate Initial Timeline. When you click here, you can edit your video directly inside Flova AI, no problem. You can edit your entire video right here in Flova AI. You can see the full timeline of your video, from the very first scene to the very last. You can see the first scene of people on the motorcycle, then everything that follows, all the way to the end. This is how I built all the video scenes together. So what can you do next? When you are happy with everything, click here on Export. Click Export to download your final video. And right now you can see the video is downloading. I already edited everything. Let me play the full video one more time so you can see the final result. And that is everything for today. If you want to create cinematic AI videos like what you just watched, try Flova AI. The link is in the description and the pinned comment below. If this video helped you, please hit subscribe, drop a like, and comment below telling me what kind of film you're going to create first. I genuinely read every single comment and I will personally reply to you. My name is Fred. I love you all. I'll see you in the next one. Let's keep building.